Now let's walk through a specific example of the clean method. Here we'll use the scenario we introduced earlier, where the numerator is dynamically filtered, while the denominator remains fixed. We want to analyze data for the first half of the year, and use the dashboard as KPI card component to display the proportion of a specific month's sales amount to the total order amount for the entire first half. The sample data for this exercise is available for download below the video lesson. Let us achieve the following final result step by step. First, we need to add a new column for month in the data, as our original dataset doesn't include this column. For specific operations, please refer to the on-screen instructions, and we will also demonstrate this process live. Create a new analysis subject and upload the data. The first step is to add a field for month to get the time dimension. When selecting the month, you can see that it displays as numerical values, which is reasonable. This is because we will later compare month with 7 and proceed with further analysis. First, we need to define the monthly order sales amount using an aggregation function. Start with aggregation grouped by the month. The filter can be omitted for now. Next, we need to define the total order amount for the first half year. Similarly, we'll use an aggregation function. Dimensions can be omitted for now. We want to filter where the month is less than 7. Then calculate the proportion of monthly order amount to the total order amount for the first half year. We'll choose a KPI card. Then drag the indicators into text. Adjust the value format to percentage. And you'll notice something here. Think about why the proportion exceeds 100%. It's because when we defined the monthly sales amount, we didn't restrict the month range. Our data includes months 1 through 7, while the denominator is limited to the first half of the year, months 1 through 6. So we have two solutions. One is to add a condition in the monthly sales amount definition to restrict months to less than 7. Or we can drag a filter into the analysis and set the month to less than 7. Either solution will fix the issue. Next, we'll create a dashboard and drag the component into the dashboard. Then add a value drop-down filter. Use the month field. We can rename it as month. The final result will allow the numerator to change when selecting a month, while the denominator remains fixed. This achieves exactly what we want. Let's review the operation steps again. Step 1. Add a month. Step 2. Define the function. Here, think actively about how to write the monthly order amount. Def sum ag order amount month. Calculating total order amount of first half year applies clean month, month less than 7, then divide the two. Step 3. Create the component, drag the 3 fields in and set the percentage format. Think about why the proportion exceeds 100%. This is because in the formula, the first half total order amount is limited to months less than 7, while the monthly order amount does not have this restriction. We have two solutions. One is to add the filter month less than 7 in the numerator formula, or we can directly add a filter month less than 7 in the component. Step 5. Create the dashboard. Drag the component in, add the month filter from the value drop-down, and modify the title. This is the final presentation effect. The above covers all the content about the clean function. Welcome everyone to rate and comment on this course below the video. If you have any questions, suggestions, or other topics you'd like to learn, feel free to share. Thank you all.